here to remove SIM and SD cards from your Samsung Galaxy A35. First thing we need to do is to take this ejector, which goes in a complect with the device. But if you lost it, don't worry, you can buy it almost everywhere. Or you can use instead of this ejector, needle or pin, but be really careful because there is a possibility that you may damage the SIM slot. And now let's find this slot. So on this device, it is located right on top, and you can see this little hole in it, right? So what we are gonna do next is we need to insert this ejector in the little hole and slightly press. So this slot will pop up like that. And after this, we just need to pull it out using our nails. But this is not so easy for me because I got long nails, so I'm gonna just use this cord to help myself out. And yep, I got it, so we can easily take it out. And now we can see our SIM card, and if we flip it, we'll see our micro SD card. So to remove SIM card, we just need to press on the SD card slot side like that, and the SIM card will simply fall out. Let's try this out. So I'm gonna slightly press like that on each side, and yep, now we just remove SIM card. Let's remove a micro SD card, and for that I'm gonna take this slot in this position and then simply press a bit on this plastic part, and micro SD card will be removed really easily as well. And after that you would see an empty SIM card slot, so we just need to put it back in the phone. For that, just take a look at this hole. It should be on the right side, like this hole on the right side, so they would need to match, and you need to simply put it back and then close securely. So press till everything will be closed. And yep, that's it. Now if we unlock the phone and swipe down from the upper right corner, here on the left upper corner we'll see information no SIM. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.